This video will be exploring what you can export to the US. So what does US import? You know, a number of people always looking for opportunities around the world and trying to explore those opportunities as much as they can. So in the series of video I'll be doing from this channel, I'll be looking at the top importers in the world. You know, you're an exporter, right? And you're going to be shipping product to a particular country. So the question we are asking is, what does these countries import? And I will be looking at the top importers in the world. The largest importers in the world is United States. And the import of United States in 2022 is $3.12 trillion. $3.12 trillion. So we'll be digging deep in this conversation and looking at what are those things that the United States import? What are those things that the United States import? The next on my list are clothing materials. US is spending almost $150 billion importing clothing material. What are the clothing materials that US import? Knit sweaters, non-knit women's suit, knit t-shirt, knit men's suit, knit women's suit, other clothing article, house linen, knit women undergarment, knit men's shirt, knit men's suit, non-knit activewear, other women undergarment, non-woven textile, other knit garment, non-knit women coat, non-knit women's suit, knit socks and hosieries, knit women's and men's shirt, knit men coat, knit babies garment, hand-woven rug, knit garment blanket, plastic coated textile fabric, bedspread, knit gloves, packing bags, knit active wears, hand-woven rug, window dressing. These are different clothing material, and US is spending $148 billion to import clothing material.